That's weird. I just saw the ditch lights stop moving back and forth. That's interesting. It looks like it's going a lot slower than it normally does too. So we're gonna see. It's going really slow. All right, so we're gonna get a slow approach here today. I do not know why it's going so slow. It's not, it is not, okay, it's a CSX freight train. Very weird. So I was expecting the Amtrak Floridian, and instead of CSX freight train came along. I guess the Floridian will be along shortly.